Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, remote window operation, speed proportional power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.